Let's be honest, the most AI manga generators videos are useless. They show random pictures from each of these tools and give them all a 10 out of 10 and it never really tests what creators are actually care about. If you ever downloaded a AI tool which made a pretty image here and there, then realize it can't keep the same character intact or it can't build scenes and they just fall apart on real projects, this video is for you. Today we're ranking AI manga generators using 5 creator focused tests. Let's actually go over these rankings. I have them on my other screen here. So number one, character consistency across all multiple outputs. That's huge because you see people create one character and they want to keep using that character and it's not able to do it consistently. Multi-character handling in one pass, which can generate several unique characters together without the chaos. I've definitely ran into that. We have multi-panel sequence scene output, can tell a story actually across scenes versus jumping from just all over the place. Cover and title composition. Can it make something that looks publishable? I mean, some of the weird arms sticking out all over the place, so it's definitely not the best. And then finally, workflow efficiency. Can normal people use this? Easy, fast, in multiple languages. So let's go through these 5s. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it step by step, and let's get into it. One tool that is getting a lot of attention in 2026 is Mio 2 from PixAI. PixAI already has 4 million monthly active users, 13 million total downloads, and number 1 revenue in Japan App Store graphic and design category. Mio 2 is powered by PixAI's anime model and it works natively with English, Japanese, and Chinese. Instead of forcing you to learn prompts, tags, or settings, Mio works like a creative assistant. You just describe what you want naturally, and it just does it for you. There's also a free tier available, so it's easy to test yourself. So let's actually bring that up because this is Mio 2, and this is really the brains of this new thing. So let's test out 5 different prompts. All right, so this is to test character consistency. Make a dark elf magic swordswoman full character reference sheet on a white background. This test to check whether the AI can maintain one character identity across multiple angles, poses, and outfit details. If the face changes every frame, it fails. If armor, hair, and weapons stay coherent, that's strong consistency. So let's actually run this and see what it gives us. So here is the generating the image. I'm going to put this on pause for a second so that when this is done, it's here, so you guys don't have to wait. And that actually was done faster than I thought, but as you can see, the faces are all the same, different angles looking. The weapon looks awesome, and this is exactly what I wanted. So this is pretty sweet. I mean, look at those eyes. They're pretty awesome. Next, we're going to do multiple character cast handling. This is a prompt for 3 Isekai characters, Korean manhwa style, white background. This is where the weaker tools break. They duplicate faces or confuse outfits. Strong performance means each character feels distinct while still belonging to the same world. So let's actually run this right now. It's actually pretty quick. So let's as you can see, 3 images. I'm actually going to pause this and it should be up in a moment. And here we go. So we have the hero, the knight, we have the mage sorcerer, and we have a rogue assassin. Each of these clean characters, so white background as requested. Pretty neat. I love this rogue. I mean, the swords, the daggers, essentially. We have the cloak, the mage with the what would that be called, a wand of sorts, a scepter, and then the knight hero with its full armor and glistening armor. Pretty neat stuff. Let's actually work on number 3 now. So number 3, all right, so this is the biggest test really. This is, most generators can only make one image. Few can tell a sequence. We're looking for scene progression, dynamic angles, emotional pacing, and same heroine across scenes. That matters for manga creators the most. So we're going to draw a story where a girl finds a magic book in an abandoned library and gets pulled into another world. Use cinematic camera work. So we're going to go ahead and push this, and when it's done, I will bring it up. So as you can see, it's doing the shots, but you can pause and read this. So it should create 3 to 4 images with composure, and I'll bring it up after it's done. And that was literally like way too fast. But as you can see, these are the 4 scenes. They have a abandoned library, finding the magic book. As you can see, the same girl here with the white hair, and then into another world. I bet you if we edit this just a little bit, you can get this closer up. But as you can see, the dress is all the same. It's very flowy white, but very neat stuff. Really consistent. This test tests whether the tool understands layout, topography, direction, focal hierarchy, and commercial cover energy. So we're going to use make a manga cover with these 3 characters, make the title look cool. And so we're going to go ahead and test this. So I'm going to use this actual one, make a manga cover for these 3 characters. These are the characters that we used. And as you can see, this was the image. This is exactly, I mean, look at this, pretty close. And then we have make the title more dramatic and push the lighting darker. And boom, we have our characters. We have the knight with a sword, the rogue with the daggers. Pretty neat. All right, we're going to stay with this same prompt and use the same heroine, but make her into a chibi sticker on a white background. So we're going to go ahead and push this. And this is really what matters for real creators. Really, when you revise consistently, you are going to want to really have a good workflow efficiency. So we're going to do 3 prompts here. We're going to check this out. So we have, there we go, little chibi sticker. We have the next one here. We have keep the same character, but make the outfit more modern. And there we go. So this is going to create the next image. And then finally, we're going to make one more prompt here. And this is almost done here, so we'll keep it running. Nice. White hair, the staff, and finally the last one, make the panel 3 more dramatic and make a stronger light rays. So it's going to do the last one here. It's thinking, generating some images, and boom, we are done. Here's the updated version with more dramatic light and rays piercing through. As you can see, quite the bit. Just finished my gems using it, but look at all the images we created. And as you can see, this is perfect for solo manga characters who are on a budget, light novel, web comic creators building a visual package, artists using AI to support, not replace what they're doing. So this is great for planning, phototyping, or just reference generation layers. Most importantly, don't just trust rankings. Use this 5 criteria framework on any AI tool that you use, especially in 2026. Side note, check out the pre-sale coming up. It just happened, so you want to get in right now on the pre-sale. You can get up to 50% off on all gems so that you can really start creating and go into the creator contest on X for remixes and illustrations. Mio 2 is part of PixAI ecosystem. It could be worth checking out if you've already are curious. Use my referral code down below in the description, and I'll see you guys on the next one.